Good evening, everybody. Just an hour ago, I gave an assignment for junior classes, assignment in grammar. We're discussing and giving the explanation of the answers that is required. The questions were based on adjectives. You may ask, sir, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which qualify a noun or a pronoun. Those words which tell more about noun or pronoun is called adjective. Now, the question arises that adjectives are primarily or basically or literally of how many kinds? Three kinds: adjective of quantity, adjective of number, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality talks about quality of the noun and pronoun. For example, she is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is talking about the quality of that girl, the beauty of that girl. This book is interesting. The books, kinds, the books variety, the books class is being stated here. Quantity, adjective of quantity talks about quantity. How much milk is there in this pot? Much is always giving a quantity. Give me a little sugar in my cup of tea. A little sugar, quantity. Now we are coming to the question answers that I gave. There were many students in the class. There were two choices, much and many. Much is used for uncountable noun, many is used for countable noun. Students can be counted. That is why I have given many. If it is a uncountable noun, like there is much rice in this bag, there is much sugar in this pot. Sugar cannot be counted, rice cannot be counted. There is much milk in this mug. The milk cannot be counted, uncountable noun. So far as the uncountable noun is concerned, use much or little, plenty. But when countable nouns are referred, use many, a few, some, etc. Now, never touch a live wire. Live, L-I-V. Live. Live is an adjective. This is a live telecast of this cricket match. We are watching the live telecast. This is an adjective. Live. Don't touch a live wire. Otherwise, you'll get electrocuted. So, live is just an adjective. Okay, I want to read a few magazines. A few also refers to. A few also refers to what? Tell me. A number, like some, a few. I want to read, a few magazines. Here, a few refers to number. That is the reason why, because magazines can be counted. Are you feeling better now? Why not good? Because whenever you are using the comparative form of good, it will indicate better than yesterday, better than before. Is the patient better today? That means you are comparing it to yesterday's condition, the patient's today's condition with yesterday's condition. So, are you feeling better? Of course, is a comparison. Before an hour, you may not be feeling better, but now you are feeling better. So, there is a comparison. Sheila is the most beautiful. See, beautiful has a positive degree, beautiful, comparative, more beautiful, and superlative, most beautiful. So, as Sheila is being compared in the entire class, means there are many students. So, when you are comparing the quality of a noun or a pronoun among many, then use superlative degree. Like Sheila is the most beautiful girl in the class. I want to see blue whale. Blue is also an adjective. The mornings of winters are cooler than. Here there is a comparative degree. Cooler than those of summer. See, those indicates the morning of summer. The biggest question is to arrange for the money. Biggest. And that is how we complete the answer question. But the most important thing that I want to tell you, that adjective is so important in use that we always remember two tricks in using correct adjective. Number one is that when you are comparing between two, always use a comparative. Like, give me the easier of these two questions. दो क्वेश्चन में से यदि आपको एक इजियर चाहिए तो आप इजी नहीं दे करके इजियर देंगे कॉम्परेटिव फॉर्म. लेकिन यदि आप मोर देन टू की बात करेंगे तो इजिएस्ट हो जाएगा. विच इज द इजिएस्ट ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. हियर इजिएस्ट मीन्स सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Which is the easiest of all the questions? Give me the easier of the two questions. When you are comparing two, then give me the better of the two books. दोनों में से कौन अच्छी बुक है, और दो के कंपैरिजन की इसलिए कंपैरेटिव दिए, गुड बेटर बेस्ट लाइक दैट, और ज्यादा की कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो बेस्ट हो जाएगा. दिस इज द बेस्ट बुक अमंग ऑल द बुक्स केप्ट ऑन द ड्रॉवर. So you have to use comparative when you are comparing to two only, but you have to use superlative when you are comparing at a time more than two. Like Rabindranath Tagore is the greatest poets, one of the greatest poets we have ever read. One of the greatest poets. We are talking about Rabindranath Tagore's comparison with all other poets. We may call it like no other poet is as great as Rabindranath Tagore. This is positive. Rabindranath Tagore is greater than many other poets in India. So when you are comparing, then more than one, certainly you are going to use either comparative or superlative. So that is how we come to compile with the question answer discussions of assignment given today. Thank you very much. See you nice. This is Eddie Singh, Easy English by Eddie Singh. The channel, your channel, your channel, your channel. Thank you very much.